Nice recording. Here's one of these hand washing stations. I don't think I demonstrated on camera. But put your foot right there. Water comes out. Soap. You gotta get a little water. And I haven't seen, unless I haven't been paying attention, I haven't seen as many hand sanitizer and hand washing stations here.
No.
Maybe they're just not around. Maybe they've been doing away with them now. They don't think they need them as much. I don't know. Wait a minute. Yeah, when back in March, when they first opened, what was it? June, I think. July. You see them around more. Unless it's unique to this particular park is why they don't have as many, I don't know. It's kind of strange you don't see as much of it now. Maybe Disney thinks this is almost over, well it's not. Because I know if I can get sick, how careful I was with this virus. And you heard last night that the president has it. With all his security, any one of us can get sick, so you gotta be really as careful as possible. So you can be as careful as you can in the whole wide world and you still catch it. So you gotta be careful. That's why they should have more of these things around. Alright.
Okay.
This is a little demonstration. Here. Want me to show you?
No, I know how to do it.
Alright.